Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into your Realme 9 Pro Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find here system settings. Here go into screen recording option, and now first block in this list it's a sound option. So first option is record system sound. Next, it's record microphone sound. So first option is activate our system sound, and next option is microphone sound. If we turn off both of this option, we record our screen without any sound. If you, for example, activate these two options, tap OK, and if we activate these two options, we record audio system sound and microphone sound too. So for saving, click back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.